Kailangan ko makita ng sulit sa loob. Natanong ko lang po.
Tingnan nga natin kung natanggal talaga ang mancha. Tanggal mancha with Breeze! Sige sa mancha, tuloy ang laro.
Cause you're leaving there are other fools breaking us down when the ocean let us be. We belong to you. Doing everything all the time.
Yan natin.
Haseo Nikki. So today I am going to conduct you a warning interview related to your absences, which is you have 2 absences last week. So that was on February 10 and February 12. So mind me asking you, why were you absent on February 10? No, face to face. All of this attendance is face to face.
Nakalimot ko ang favorite teacher bro katong pangiagi kay katong ko lang malab.
Okay, so I hope na wala na kayo absences next month, or yes, because duha naman yung absent yun, so bawal na siya ma-absent this month, but I hope next month kayo complete attendance na siya ha, since our goal is all of you must have a complete attendance, okay? So that would be all. Bye bye.
Samara,
안녕하세요.
please introduce yourself.
안녕하세요. 저는 12살 초등학교 6학년 사마라입니다.
So, you already complete your 30 times multiplication.
Yes.
Now, let's do our retest. 8 4,
32,
4 8,
32,
7 6,
42,
8 7,
56,
9 6,
54,
7 3,
21,
7 4,
28,
9 3,
27,
4 5,
20,
9 9,
81,
8 9,
72,
6 6,
66, 36,
7 5,
55,
4 3,
12,
Congratulations, Amara, you passed the multiplication.